Okay, Drippy BBC, I try to, it's all about always being positive with me. So, what we're going to do here with Drippy BBC is I'm going to share with you, I need you to do a couple things differently. I appreciate you taking matters into your own hands, but I'm going to need you to wear some gloves. Why do you not have gloves on? That's bad. When we do this in salon, we wear gloves. That's what I would open with. We wear gloves. And you've got it all over your hands. I remember once, real talk. This is how serious these chemicals are. One year I was young, very young. It was early in my career as a hairstylist. And I did back to school relaxers and I ran out of gloves and I just kept rolling. And at the end of my back to school relaxer marathon, my fingertips were gone. Like as in I had no fingerprints because I'd worn off my tips of my fingers and it hurt to touch anything. It's a true story. So this product breaks down protein. It takes skin off of your body so that Drippy BBC doing this with no gloves is no bueno. And then why then the move? To put it on your face, brother. Oh no. No, don't do it. I just want to reach through the screen and just wipe his face off. For two reasons. One is, and I'm sure by now he's figured it out, you can't retouch it. I mean, he's got to just start over. At the point that it grows in, the hair is going to grow in whatever texture it grows in. You're not going to retouch. That's the problem with very, very short hair being texturized. And the box kits for men in general, or very short hair, doesn't matter whether you're male or female. The deal is that with really short hair, going in and reprocessing and reapplication is extraordinarily difficult. And it's impossible to do on your own. So, and even that much more impossible to do on your face. I can't even believe I'm saying it, on the face. I know. I do know something crazier than this dude putting it on his face. One time I had a client, this was when I was in Pittsburgh, who revealed to me, and I wish she had not, that she relaxed her hair down there. She really did. That same little headache is coming up right here for me again. But yeah, it happened. People do the strangest things. Anywho, Drippy BBC, I gotta admit, I am really impressed with the way that your hair turned out. I mean, check it out.